welcome to everyone. Today we are doing something really interesting and different, which in the history of YouTube no one has ever done before, which is a maths cooking challenge. Also have special guest over here. I hope you enjoy the company, and we also have a special person helping us today. My sister, she will be helping me to complete this challenge. And without any further ado, let's just get started. So we are making white sauce pasta, and to make pasta we also need ingredients. So I have 8 ingredients over here, and to get those ingredients I need to solve a question. A question will be related to mathematics, and I will be given 1 minute to solve this question. If I am able to solve that question within 1 minute, then I will get that ingredients, and if I am not able to solve that question, then I won't be getting ingredients. So I hope you understand the rules of contest, and let's start with the contest. First I will choose pasta, because we need pasta to make white sauce pasta. So my very first question is integration of e raised to 3x. Sorry, integration of e raised to minus 3x.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
start.
So, is it correct?
So let me see. The answer is minus 1 upon 3 e raised to minus 3x plus c.
I got it! I thought I will get it wrong. Okay, I got the pasta. Okay, let's move to another one. I will choose maida, because we also need maida. Okay. Derivative of tan inverse of x. Okay, this one is quite easy, and this also has a story. I was going for, oh sorry, I have timer, right? Okay, let me solve this. Derivative of tan inverse of x.
Okay, 1 upon 1 plus x squared.
Okay, this is it, I guess, and I'm pretty sure it is right. So the story is, I was going for IIT entrance exam for my masters, and this question was asked there, and I was not able to answer this question. Like, it is such a simple question, and I was so pressurized that I couldn't answer this. So this time I got it. So is it correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So I got my multi-purpose flour. Okay, now let's move to milk, because we also need milk. So let's see. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, such a long question. So if P is equals to 1000, R is equals to 5% per annum, N is equals to 4, what is the amount of simple and compound interest? Okay. Let's see. I have 1 minute to solve this.
Start.
P is equals to 1000.
R is equals to 5% per annum. N is equals to 4. What is amount? I need to calculate amount. I guess formula for amount is P 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. I hope. Okay.
N is equals to 4. N is equals to 4. Okay, no compounding in between. Clearly compounding.
10 will be 4. Okay, just substitute. P is equals to 1000 into 1 plus R5 divided by 100.
You have 15 seconds.
I won't be able to solve this. 1000. 1 plus 0.05 raised to 4. How am I supposed to calculate 1 plus 1.05 raised to 4 into 1000?
Actually, you should have used calculator, but
Oh my god!
oh sorry. Okay, the timer is up.
Oh my god! I'm not getting milk.
The answer was first one, A.
Oh my god, I had options here. I could have just choose one of these. Okay, let's move to our next question. I'll choose. Okay, I'll choose salt. Let's see, because we also need a salt. Okay. Find the derivative of y is equals to x square upon e raised to x. Okay, this one is kind of easy. I hope I'll be able to do it in 1 minute. So my
Start.
Okay. Y is equals to x square upon e raised to x. X common. 2x plus
x square upon e raised to x square cancel. 2x plus x square upon e raised to x.
I hope this is correct. So I'm done with this one. Let's see whether it is correct or not.
Yes, it is correct.
At least I got salt. Let's move to next question. Okay, I'll get veggies. Okay, when under root 2z plus 1 plus under root 3z plus 4 is equals to 7, the value of z is given by. Okay, I don't know. Okay, 2z plus 1 under root 3z. I don't know. I'm just gonna say 2.
A, B, C, D. Which one?
B.
Okay, so wrong. It's D.
Okay. I couldn't solve this, so I was expecting this result. Okay. Oh my god! I won't be getting veggies.
Oh
Okay. Okay, let's move to all the other veggies. The first 3 terms of sequence when nth term is this. Okay, finally I got a easy one. So n square minus 2n for n is equal.
First one we have 1 square minus 2 into 1 which is 1 minus 2 which is minus 1. Then 2 square minus 2 into 2 which is 0. 3 square minus 2 into 3 which is 9 minus 6 which is
3. So minus 1, 0, 3. Option number A.
Okay, so it was AP's question, no?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, A is the answer.
Yes. Okay, at least I got something here. Okay, now let's move to. So we are finally on the last one. Okay, so let's get over with this. Okay, every 2 persons shakes hand with each other in the party, and the total number of handshakes is 66. The number of guests in the party is. Okay. This is.
So timer start now.
Okay, so I think this should be of handshake principle.
total number of guests in the party is I have to find total number of handshake practices. Okay, thank you.
I don't know. This is the only formula I know. Yes, I don't know the answer of this one. Why do I ask such a difficult question?
I think this is one of the famous problems. I thought you would know this.
Okay, handshake 66, total number of guests in the party.
Okay, so timer is getting up. You have 10 seconds, choose one.
C, option number C.
Okay, let me see. You are wrong. Answer is B.
Oh my god, I thought I should have chosen B. B. Okay, do something. I can't cook without all of this.
Okay, I think we should have one rapid fire round.
Okay, rapid fire round.
At least you will get milk because I guess without this there would be no white sauce.
Yes, of course. So my sister is very generous, so she is giving me second chance because I almost missed 3 ingredients. How dumb I am. Okay, so we are starting with our rapid fire round. In this, my sister will ask me 5 questions, and if I am able to answer 4 questions correctly, then I can choose any 2 ingredients which I missed in my previous round. And this question mostly will be formula based question. So I hope I'm able to get those ingredients. So let's begin with the rapid fire round.
Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to ask you 5 questions. So time start now. Okay. Trigonometric formula. Sin 2x.
Sin into theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta.
Yes. Derivative. E raised to 2x.
E raised to 2x. E raised to 2x into 2.
Okay. Yeah, correct. Power of the cell.
Minus 1 yaar.
Okay. Okay. 400 plus 150 minus 50.
400 plus 150. 400 plus 150. 550 minus
50.
50. 500.
Okay, right? Okay. Formula. A plus B the whole square.
A plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes.
I'm so excited for that. Okay, finally I got all 5 right. These were actually very easy questions, so I got them right. So I can choose 2 ingredients. Those 2 ingredients will be milk and veggies, because we can't make pasta without milk and veggies. So let's go into the kitchen. So finally we are in the kitchen trying to make our pasta. I also have my mom with me, just in case, just in case. So let's start with the process. I think it looks good. Anyone wants to try it? Let me try it. Okay, let's see. It's yummy. Like seriously. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Mama, taste it.
I want to taste it.
Okay. It's really yummy, right?
Yeah. We never tried white pasta.
Hello everyone. Pasta was so tasty that I forgot to record the ending. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
More maida multi-purpose flour.
Maida multi-purpose flour.